Saan ko ba nakuha yung pera ko noon after ko mag-drop out? Wala na rin akong allowances. So, naging tambay na lang ba ako noon? Palamunin, di ba? Wala tayo sa school today. Nasa UP tayo. It's a Saturday. We're gonna do our runs. We're training for a half marathon in 2 months. Pero nung before kasi ako mag-drop, syempre I ask for confirmation sa mama ko. Kasi ang kapal ko naman, if di ko ayusin, magiging palamunin lang ako. After ko siya i-convince na, okay, I'm gonna stop. The thing is, before I stopped, meron na akong stream of income. So, nag-side hustle na ako noon. So, kumbaga, innate na rin yung drive to earn money and financial freedom. Okay, so katatapos na natin tumakbo. Pero basically, before I jumped the boat, we had a plan. Professionally, especially sa personal finance management, because it's really one of the things that I value. One thing that really helped me was the people around me and my community na nasa same boat. Their grit to grow and their drive to make it. It helps psychologically na alam mong there are people ahead of you that can guide you and may support system ka. Grabe yung sunset today, sobrang ganda. So ngayon, we're now with our fam for a quick dinner. So this is from Butterboy. So, it's okay. Okay, kakauwi ko lang. But going back, that same year, umabot yung income ko ng 6 digits. Collectively, not just from the job, but also from the side hustles na ginagawa ko nun. So, syempre masaya ako nun na everything's going according to plan. Pero after a few months, I got laid off. So what happened next, that's for another conversation. So ayun lang for today, and always remember na galingan mo mabuhay.